Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Victoria sponge cake. This cake was named after Queen Victoria, who ate a slice of sponge cake with her afternoon tea. It is usually called simply sponge cake. A traditional Victoria sponge cake has raspberry jam and whipped cream or also vanilla buttercream. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cake with vanilla buttercream. So this recipe is made for 2 cake tins. If you want to make just a single tin, then just divide this recipe into half. So now without wasting any time, let's begin with this recipe. It is one of my personal favorite recipes. So now let's begin. So first take 23 centimeters of cake tin, then brush the tin with melted butter. Make sure to brush it all the sides. Then place the baking paper at the bottom of the tin and dust it with some flour. Also preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 160 degree with fan or gas number 4. Then in a bowl place the sieve, add about 480 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then sieve the dry ingredients. Then keep it aside to use it later. Then in a mixing bowl add 450 grams of butter room temperature and mix it for about 2 minutes until nice and smooth. Something like this. At this stage add 450 grams of castor sugar. Then cream this until it is nice and soft. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl for even mixing. Do this often until the mix is smooth and creamy texture. This is very important step for a good sponge cake, so make sure you do it. Make sure the sugar is nicely mixed with the butter. It will also change its color to white or off-white. Something like this. It should look something like this. Then add about 8 eggs. Make sure you add it slowly or few at a time. Also add half tablespoon vanilla essence. Then scrape the sides of the bowl for even mixing. Whisk it for about another 2 minutes on a medium speed until the egg is nicely mixed with the butter. Add the sieved dry ingredients. Add it slowly, one ladle at a time. Make sure to reduce the speed of the mixer. Then add about 4 tablespoons of whole milk and mix this until it is nice and smooth. Then use your spatula to mix everything evenly. Make sure you gently fold it. Make sure that the batter must be this consistency. Something like this. Then pour the batter in the cake tin. And then use your palette knife to evenly spread the mix, even on the sides. Then simply bake the cake at 180 degrees centigrade or gas 4 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then to make buttercream, add 450 grams of unsalted butter and add 900 grams of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Then cream this until it is nice and smooth. Make sure to cream it until it changes its color to white or off-white color. Also, while creaming, scrape the sides of the bowl. This is a very important step, and mix it again. Make sure it is something like this. It is nice, smooth and creamy. Then keep this aside to use it later. So the cake is ready now after 25 minutes. Use a small knife to check if the cake is cooked. If it comes out clean, then it is ready. Then allow the cake to cool down completely. The cake is perfectly cooked even on the sides. Meanwhile, make a strawberry buttercream. Add about half cup of buttercream. Add 2 tablespoons strawberry jam and whisk this until nice and smooth. Then use your spatula to mix it evenly. Then simply fill this in a piping bag for decorating. Then keep this aside to use it later. Then once the cake is cooled down completely, cut the cake right in the middle, cutting it into 2 halves. Something like this. Then place the bottom half of the cake on the cake board and remove the parchment paper. Then add generous amount of strawberry jam and spread it evenly. Make sure you spread even on the sides. Something like this. Please be generous with the strawberry jam. Then on the other half, add buttercream. Add generous amount of buttercream and spread it all over, even on the sides. Something like this. Then simply dust it with some icing sugar. And pipe the strawberry buttercream on top. Something like this. Then I have used some jam just to decorate the cake. You can use your own ideas how you want to do it. There you go, the cake is ready now. I hope you will try this recipe at home. It is really simple recipe and very easy. You will absolutely love this recipe. This cake is absolutely delicious to have it in the evening with a nice cup of tea. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I will be posting so many other recipes which you will absolutely love it. If you want me to make any specific recipe, then please do comment and I will make sure that I will make it. So thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.